What is up, guys? I'm back with another video. And in today's video, Gem Rush is going on so far. And jeez, right now I'm gonna be opening up this other magical chest. So anyway, let's get straight to it. I'm gonna be opening up an epic chest as well. Okay. Jeez. There we go, epic chest as well. And we get a magical chest. Alright. Well guys, our clan is already at 7 out of 10. So, yeah. Got this chest. So I wish I could get. I also have band in my shop as well. So I'll get 2 expos and a clone. And these. So I'm happy we got a magical chest. This is my second magical chest. So anyway guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys leave a like, comment down below, turn on the bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.